and kay Freya. Although I'm expecting a tank with Freya for some reason. Just to be able to stay alive. Pero sabi ni Midnight, hindi. Really goes in wawas.
Wawa naman to. Wawa naman to.
Dito ma-maximize mo yung fighter emblem. The more damage you have, the higher sustain you will get. Maybe even
spin up.
yeah, maybe you can even add up a war axe on the Freya. Higher damage, higher penetration.
Tapos pati kayong dalawa na.
We've seen this matchup so many times in the past year. Medyo 50-50 yung lane na yan. Usually it's Terizla wins that lane. Pero it's come down to whoever lanes well.
One thing's for sure, late armor.
Yeah.
Late armor is the key para sa alter ego.
First Black Dragon form RWM mula kay Ichme on the left side. Alahati yung buhay dito ni Han on the front rail. Pero nandito pa naman yung ibang members ni Yaman Galactus. Pero may padaliburan! They're able to take out Ying. And look at RP.
Ay, tsura mo.
Papunta dito sa SP para tumulong.